Hello kids, how are you? I hope all of you are doing very well and you enjoy your holidays. I am Vijeta, your computer teacher. Today in your computer class, we will do our next chapter, that is editing in Word 2016. Okay. In this chapter, we will learn how we can open a Word document, how we can create a Word document, how we can save it, open it and close it. Okay, as well as we will learn how we can insert the text in a Word document. In your second class, you have done typing in MS Word. Now you will create a document in MS Word. Let's start the chapter.
Firstly, what is MS Word? MS Word is Microsoft Word. Why it is called MS Microsoft? Because it was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. Okay, that is a world largest company in the software development, and you know who's the owner of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Okay, that's why it called MS Word, Microsoft Word. And what is MS Word? It is an application software, and you have done hardware and software in previous chapter, and in that chapter you have learned two type of software, application software and system software. Okay, and what is application software? Application software help us to do a particular type of or specific type of work is called application software. Means if we want to do a particular type of work in computer, then you need a software. Okay, that is called application software. And MS Word is word processing software. A word processor help us to create a professional looking document. Okay, it provides many features to change the appearance of text in a desired manner. हम अपनी मर्जी से कैसे भी टेक्स्ट को चेंज कर सकते हैं with the help of word processing software. And MS Word is an application software used for word processing. Okay, and what are the various features of MS Word 2016? We can produce letters. We can produce letters, reports, notice, newsletters, books, bill. Okay, we can create all these type of document with help of MS Word. Okay, in presentable manners. It means there are so many templates or particular features in MS Word, so that we can create a letter, we can create a report, because each have different presentations. Okay. Second, modify the text. We can modify the text both while typing and after typing. During typing we can modify the text, and after typing means हमने अपना काम कर लिया, टाइप कर लिया, हम उसके बाद भी उसको modify कर सकते हैं text. Modify means if we want to add more text or we want to delete particular text. Okay, these are called modify text. Next, beautify the text. Beautify means we want to change the appearance, look of our text by changing the color, style, font size. Okay, various effects we can give with the help of MS Word. We can give border, we can include shadings. Okay, and in MS Word we can also insert graphics. Okay, we can insert pictures, we can draw pictures with the help of various drawing tools in MS Word. Next is copying and moving the text from one location to another. You all know about cut, copy, paste. We can cut a text from a particular place and we can paste that text particular place, another place. We can move the text, that is called cut paste, and for copying we use copy paste. Okay, in both command we are using paste command, but in moving we are using cut command, and for copying we are using copy command. Okay, and we can also share our document on internet. Okay, in MS Word, and we can preview our text before printing in the MS Word. For example, if we write a book and we want to check how our book look like, how our letter look like before printing, we can do with the help of MS Word. These are the various features, these things we can do in MS Word. Now, what is the process to start the MS Word in computer? You have to click on the start button. When you click on the start button, after that click on all apps, after that Word 2016. Okay. You can create a shortcut of MS Word, put that shortcut on desktop. You can directly click on the shortcut and the MS Word will open. Otherwise there is one process that you have to click on start button, all apps and MS Word 2016. Okay, and the start screen of the MS Word appear. It is known as backstage view of Word. That is called backstage view of Word. Okay, and the backstage view is the center location for managing the Word document. That is called backstage view of Word. You can see this picture, and for opening you have to click on start, all apps and Word. I have written it, and after that the screen occur, that is called backstage view of Word 2016. Okay, and the backstage view is the center location for managing the Word document. You can create a blank document firstly. Okay, you can give that document, and we can create new, save, open, print and share document in that backstage view. Okay, if you want to create a blank document, you have to click on the blank document and it will open the document. It will look like as this is a blank document of MS Word. You can see there are so many options. File tab, in file tab there are so many options like new, open, save, save as, close. Title bar give the name of the document. Here document 1 is given, you can give your name to that document. Okay, and that white part is here, it is a cursor from where you start entering the data. Status bar, it give the information about the how many pages we have in our letters or book. Okay, and zoom sliders, we can zoom out or in our document. There are minimize buttons, maximize button, we can minimize our Word document, we can maximize our Word document, we can close our documents. Okay, in ribbon there are so many commands, we can change the font, color, that all commands on the ribbon. Okay, access quick access toolbar, so there are so many commands we are using frequently, that commands we can put in that toolbar. For example, if we are saving the document again and again, we can put that save button in quick access toolbar, so that we can directly undo, redo, these commands are in quick access toolbar. Okay, now I think you understand what is MS Word, what is the first screen of the MS Word, blank document of MS Word. Okay, now the next topic is how we can create a Word document. For this you have to click in backstage view, that option is file, you have to click on file tab. After that there is so many options, new, open, save. You want to create a new, then you have to select the new option, second step. Okay, after selecting the new option, the third step is you have to select the blank document. Okay, the blank document will create. In that document you can write your data. This is the process of creating a new document. There are 3 steps. First step, click on the file tab. Second, select the new option. Third, click on the blank document. Okay, firstly, what is MS Word? MS Word is Microsoft Word. Why it is called MS Microsoft? Because it was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. Okay, that is a world largest company in the software development. And you know who's the owner of Microsoft? Bill Gates. Okay, that's why it called MS Word, Microsoft Word. And what is MS Word? It is an application software, and you have done hardware and next day you want to open that file you have saved in your computer systems. For this you have to select open option in your file tab, okay, or you have to enter that name by which you save that file, okay, and click on the open button. There are 4 steps for opening a document. Click on a file tab. Second, select the open option. After that, enter the file name, okay. Fourth, click on the open button, okay, and that file name should be same that you have given during the saving time, okay, otherwise it will not open. Next, how we can take the printout? There are option in file tab, that is print. Firstly, click on the file tab. After that, select the option print, and it will preview your document, and you have then after that you can click on the print command. It will take the printout of your document, and the shortcut of the print command is Control P. If you select Control P, if you press Control key and P together, it will take the printout of your document. Okay, the next topic is entering the text. You have already created a document, you save that document. Now you want to enter the text in that document, okay, and in Word you observe one thing, that is text wrapping. What do you mean by text wrapping? It means that if text does not fit in the current line, then the word shifted to the next line by default. मीन्स आप टाइप कर रहे हो, लाइन का एंड हो गया है, तो वो टेक्स्ट ऑटोमेटिकली नेक्स्ट लाइन पे चला जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ड रैपिंग. ओके, इट इज डन ऑटोमेटिकली. ये वर्ड अपने आप करता है वर्ड रैपिंग. ओके, एंड हियर वन एग्जांपल इज गिवन. यू हैव टू टाइप दैट example. Learning is like eating food. It's not how much you eat that matters. What count is how much you digest. The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away. These 2 lines you can type on your Word document. Okay, you can try it. These 2 lines, you type these 2 lines. You will observe what is word text wrapping. Okay, the next step is selecting and editing the text. After typing the text in a document, you want to make some changes in the text. That changes, if you are doing some changes in the text, that is called editing. Okay, and before performing any actions and like copy, moving, finding, replacing, deleting or formatting, okay, text, you need to select that text. Okay, and the selected text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. Okay, firstly, what is editing? If you want to copy the text, if you want to move the text from particular one location to another location, if you want to find particular data in your document, and if you want to replace some text in a document, and if you want to delete particular text in a document, and or you want to format, or formatting means like you want to change the color, font size, font color, you want to underline, make it bold, italic. These are called editing. Okay, and before doing this editing, you have to select that text on which you want to perform the editing. आपको वो select text को select करना पड़ेगा पहले जिस text के ऊपर आप editing perform करना चाहते हो. Okay, and that selection text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. वो highlighted हो जाता है. I will show you. You can see here selected text. Selected text is displayed on the screen in highlighted bar. That bar is highlighted. Some change in the text, make change in the document is called editing text. That text we want to make changes or editing, that is called selected text. Okay, and to select the block of the text, we can use the selection area. Okay, and there are 2 ways we can select a text. We can select a text using mouse, or we can select a text using keyboard. Okay, Firstly, we will do the method of selecting the text using mouse. With using mouse, if you want to select a word, a particular word, then you have to double click on that word. अगर आप उस वर्ड पे डबल क्लिक करोगे वो वर्ड आपका सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा. अगर आप if you want to select a complete sentence, okay, how you can do that? Hold down the control key and click anywhere on the sentence. Okay, one line sentence. Firstly, you have to press control key or hold control key. After that, click anywhere on in the sentence. Okay, with the help of mouse. Third is a paragraph. If you want to select the complete paragraph, then you have to do? Triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Triple means 3 times you have to click on the paragraph. पैराग्राफ पे कहीं पे भी 3 बार आप क्लिक करोगे वो पूरा का पूरा पैराग्राफ सिलेक्ट हो जाता है. और सेकेंड वे इज डबल क्लिक इन द लेफ्ट मार्जिन ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. ओके, नेक्स्ट, ए लार्ज ब्लॉक ऑफ टेक्स्ट मीन्स आपका एक टेक्स्ट है, उसमें 10 पैराग्राफ्स हैं, आप एक पर्टिकुलर 3 पैराग्राफ्स को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. हाउ यू कैन डू इट? क्लिक एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम वेयर यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट, प्रेस द शिफ्ट की एंड विदाउट रिलीजिंग इट क्लिक ऑन द एंड ऑफ द टेक्स्ट. आप ये कैसे करोगे? सबसे पहले मान लो आप फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ से लेके 3rd पैराग्राफ तक को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हो, तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द टेक्स्ट. मीन्स आपको जो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का फर्स्ट टेक्स्ट है उसके ऊपर क्लिक करना होगा. आफ्टर दैट प्रेस शिफ्ट की, आपको शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करना है और शिफ्ट की को रिलीज नहीं करना, उसको प्रेस ही रखना है. उसको प्रेस रखते हुए यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द एंड ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, मतलब 3rd पैराग्राफ के एंड में उस टेक्स्ट को क्लिक करोगे, 3 पैराग्राफ सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे एट ए टाइम पे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट. पूरा का पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. देयर इज वन शॉर्टकट की, दैट इज कंट्रोल ए. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन द कंट्रोल ए, द कंप्लीट डॉक्यूमेंट विल सिलेक्ट with the help of control A. Okay, click anywhere in the selection while doing down the control A key or triple click on the selection area. Okay, these are the method how we can select text using mouse. It will look like as this is a blank document of MS Word. You can see there are so many options. File tab, in file tab there are so many options like new, open, save as, close. Title bar give the name of the document. Here document 1 is given, you can give your name to that document. Okay, and that white part is here, it is a cursor from where you start entering the data. Status bar, it give the information about the how many pages we have in our letters or book. Okay, and zoom sliders, we can zoom out or in our document. There are minimize buttons, maximize button, we can minimize our Word document, we can maximize our Word document, we can close our documents. Okay, in ribbon there are so many commands, we can change the font, color, that all commands on the ribbon. Okay, access, quick access to. Okay, till we have done selecting the text. Okay, now we will do the topic that is inserting the text. How we can insert a text in a document. Okay, we can add new text in an already existing document in 2 different way. Okay, मतलब आपने एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना दिया है, उसमें आप अपना और टेक्स्ट ऐड करना चाहते हो, then we have 2 method by using insert mode or second is by using overtype mode. And what is insert? In insert mode, you can see in this picture there is some data, that is knowledge is information, knowledge come from learning, it is of the no value unless you put it in the practice. And you want to insert from some data before the knowledge, you can see cursor is before knowledge. You want to insert data here, and firstly we have to select mode, insert mode. In status bar you can see the insert mode is selected. Okay, after selecting insert mode you can type the data, it will insert before the knowledge. Here you can see one line is added before the knowledge, it become powerful only when it is acted upon. A new data is inserted, okay, before where you want to insert. Okay, next, in overtype mode, for example in this paragraph if you want to add knowledge is power, Here it is written that knowledge is information. You want to write knowledge is power. How we can insert the data in overtype mode? Firstly, you can see where is the cursor. Cursor is before information. Okay, and second step is you have to select overtype mode. You have to select from status bar. Overtype mode is selected. After this, you have to type power, POWER. It will write and it will replace the information. Okay, what it will do? It will replace the information. That is the difference between insert and type mode, overtype mode. In insert mode, it not replace the text. It insert new text. The previous text will remain there. But in overtype mode, the previous text from where you type will replace. That is the difference between overtype and insert mode.
Okay kids, I hope now you understand how we can create a document in MS Word, and if you have any problem then you can contact me. Okay, take care, bye bye.